The feature film that is about to be played was found on a phone at a murder scene. Telephone technology is far superior to current devices. The language is unknown. This video is confidential by the government. The video continues with an exhibition of existing animal until the last animal. Investigation into the content of the phone gave rise to this video. Image formats are very advanced of our time, 15 to 20 year. The investigations were left to Detective. Her progress was written in the following notes to our department.